All right, number 2, the snare drum. Personally, my favourite. Lays the backbeat foundation for the band. So, Chris, how would you go about miking a snare drum?
Okay. Again, as I said previously, tuning is a very key point in the snare drum. But typically, an easy start would be with a classic SM57. I bring in the microphone so the capsule is about just over the rim of the snare, and then I can just fit my hand underneath. So you can swing your hand round. The cap's about in the old language, old measurements, about an inch onto the skin, and also again point the microphone at the impact point of the snare drum. Now, if you want the snare drum to be slightly less attacky, you can of course point it further down so it's more at the rim, so it gives you more tone. Again, it's very much flexibility of moving the snare drum around and also making sure Mr. Drummer or Mrs. Drummer doesn't hit it with their stick.
Yes, very, very important.
Yeah.
What about if you were in an instance where you were going to use a bottom snare mic?
Yeah, typically bottom snare mic you would put underneath, just off the bottom of the skin, typically again in the old language, probably 2 or 3 inches at the most. And of course, typically again, you would also phase reverse the bottom snare mic because you will get phase cancellation between top and bottom microphones. Again, you can switch them on and off, listen for yourself and make your own decision.
See what makes it sound best, yeah.
Exactly that, yeah.
Very good.